If you're a Scrum Master craving more efficiency but still feel like something's missing, then it's time to level up with PSK certification from Mindbell. Welcome to Mindbell's Professional Scrum with Kanban or PSK certification training designed for experienced Scrum Masters and practitioners. Our PSK training equips you with the skills to seamlessly blend Scrum and Kanban, enhancing workflow and boosting productivity. Why choose Mindbell? Simple. We're experts in professional development, offering high-quality, up-to-date training that's globally recognized. Our flexible learning modes cater to your needs, whether it's classroom training, online training, corporate group training, or focused one-to-one sessions. Our course is split into 2 levels. PSKY covers the basics, teaching you to visualize workflow, manage work in progress, and implement key Kanban policies. PSK2 takes it up a notch, diving deeper into advanced techniques for integrating Scrum and Kanban to optimize team performance. By the end of our training, you'll be equipped to identify bottlenecks, improve predictability, and enhance your team's overall efficiency. It's not just about learning, it's about transformation. Join the ranks of successful professionals who have unlocked new career opportunities with the PSK certification. With Mindbell, you're not just getting a certification. You're gaining a community, personalized support, and a path to continuous improvement. Curious to know more? Reach out to us at support@mindbell.com or visit our website. Don't just keep up with change. Lead it. Choose Mindbell and master the art of Scrum with Kanban today.